Hi, my name is Brittany. I work for Premier Engineering in Cumming, Georgia. This presentation was designed to give you more insight on why preventative maintenance is key to maintaining your machine. This webinar will cover the purpose of a preventative maintenance program, key benefits of a preventative maintenance program, such as life cycle cost and profitability, machine tool longevity and productivity, and higher ROI. It will also cover Mazak's preventative maintenance program. Preventative maintenance helps minimize machine tool wear and unplanned downtime. It also helps document machine tool maintenance history and current conditions. Planned maintenance allows you to control your machine downtime rather than your machine downtime controlling your operations and impacting your customer experience and profit margins. Customers get their parts on time and employee morale is boosted because they can focus on their work rather than putting out maintenance fires or sitting idle during machine downtimes. A machine tool's total life cycle cost is its purchase price plus all other costs associated with running and maintaining it minus its resale value. Preventative maintenance reduces life cycle cost by optimizing your machine's overall effectiveness and reducing scrap and rework, and reducing cost per piece by minimizing machine failure and identifying issues during busy production times, by reducing unplanned downtime, by minimizing waiting for spare parts, and increasing capacity. Preventative maintenance also reduces life cycle costs by allowing production to stay on schedule and reducing overtime, as well as providing more value over the long term by minimizing the risk of your machine wearing out sooner than it should. A machine tool's health is critical to a shop's success. Get more out of it by conducting routine preventative maintenance. Although finding time for preventative maintenance, particularly with a production backlog, can be challenging, the cost of a catastrophic machine failure is far greater. A machine tool that's always at the ready enables shops to be agile and ramp up quickly in response to unplanned events. Also improves customer experience by being able to quickly meet changes in production demands. It also improves employee experience by allowing them to focus on business needs rather than putting out maintenance fires, which improves overall morale. Not only does preventative maintenance increase the life of your machine, but it will also help maintain its resale value. There will be a time you will consider selling or trading in your machine. Having it maintained on a regular basis will help you achieve top dollar for your piece of equipment. Mazak provides a comprehensive and customizable preventative maintenance program to increase the life of your machine and improve your customer's experience. Mazak's preventative maintenance program includes rolling back covers and cleaning of critical components such as ball screws, roller guides, bearing blocks, etc., lubricating essential items, changing oils and filters, making sure fans and cooling systems are working properly, checking wear on ball screws, spindle, and other critical components, as well as changing batteries and creating a routine preventative maintenance schedule. Mazak's preventative maintenance program includes cleaning out around coolant pumps, increasing pump and tool life by producing more coolant flow, by performing an electrical compensation of axes, servicing ball bar components, and checking the accuracies of the different axes. Also checking laser accuracy for aerospace or ISO customers. Thank you for allowing me to provide insight on increasing your machine tool life with preventative maintenance.